Hello everyone, welcome back to our art and craft page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful crafts. First, take a paper cup and cut it out like shown in the video. So here we'll be making a fish using a paper cup. Now color it, make the designs on its body, stick its eyes, draw its tail and fins, and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color paper and then cut it in a triangle shape. Now cut it from the top and fold it to make a cone. Now give it a shape. Now put these orange paper pieces over it to make the designs. So here we are making a giraffe. After we are done with this, we will make its face. Take a paper, draw its eyes, nose and the mouth. Stick its ears. Now we will join the body and the face together like this, and your giraffe is almost ready. Next, take a round sheet like this and then fold it. Now cut it from the sides into the frills as shown in the video. Now give it a shape of the flower from the top by cutting it like this. After that, open it. Now fix the candy in the between by cutting it like this. Roll it properly using a stick. Give it a shape of a flower as shown in the video. Now join it by rolling it like this and fix a candy in the between, and it's ready. Next, take a sheet and fold it like this. Now paste few more of them together over it. Now make it stand. Now we will make the face of the snowman. After making its body, we will take the another sheet and paste the cap of the snowman over it like this. Stick its eyes, nose and the mouth. After that, we will fix the body together. Make its hands using the black color paper like this, and it's ready. Next, take the green paper strips like this and make the spring out of it. Make few more as such and place them on the black sheet as shown in the video. Now take a white sheet and draw different flowers on it and then cut it out. Now paste them one by one and your garden is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a foam like this and tie a rubber band in the between. Now we will make the ears by tying it from the sides. Here we are making a cute teddy bear. Make its legs like this. Now after that, we will stick its eyes, draw its nose, color it if you want, otherwise your teddy bear is ready. Next, take an egg, cut it into small pieces like this from the bottom and remove the egg yolk from it. Now stick its eyes and make the nose of the bunny. Draw different patterns and designs over the egg shell like this. After that, we will stick its ears, put a fairy light, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and fold it in a triangle shape. Now draw half bunny and snowman over it like this and then cut it out. And your snowflake is ready. Don't forget to give the finishings on the paper by making the snowman and the bunnies like this. Color it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.